Hello and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I actually want to show you and explain to you why I absolutely love this bookshelf. So as you can see, this bookshelf already assembled, and we have second bookshelf right here sitting inside the box and somebody sitting on top of the box. So let's actually open it up together, see how it came packaged, what inside. And one of the points I also want to mention, I love that it comes in this small compact box, because actually one person can easily move it around, open it up and set it up wherever is more convenient and comfortable for you. And right here, very quick, I want to show to you that, as you can notice how good it's packed around. It has styrofoam. It also has this good cardboards around. And as you can see, all of the elements, they actually come packaged very, very well. And I also love that the full metal frame of this bookshelf, it's actually come in 3 different pieces on each side. And as you can see right here, we took everything out of the box. And what I love about this bookshelf, that actually every single piece has a numbers. You can see right here we have 2, we have 1, we have 3 right here, and all of these pieces, they also has numbers right here on the side. Let me just actually take one very quick to show it to you. Like you see number 4, and what it does, it inside the instruction manual, it will be super easy to put everything together. And another point I also want to mention about this bookshelf, it's super easy to put together because it's just repetitive work, right? You're just putting one shelf, second shelf, third shelf, and they all just keep going and going and going. And right before we start building the shelves, I actually want to show to you how easy it is to build the frame. So you have 3 different pieces for the frame, and we obviously having right now the bottom piece and the middle piece. And what happens right here is that it's super easy just to put them together. You can just easily like slide them in, and then just put screws right here on the side. And another point I love about it all, that as you can see right here, it has little holes right here, so that's where you can put screws. And when you put screws inside, the back of the screws actually go in the back, so you can even see the screws in the end result. And I think also the weight capacity of this bookshelf, it's a 50 pounds per shelf. And also what helps to hold this bookshelf together is this cross beam in the back, as you can see right here. And here it is too. And I also love the way it looks. So if the company ever decide to add more cross beams, I think I'll be buying another bookshelf. So yeah, let's actually put it all together, and then I can show you the end result. And as you can see right here, we already built these 2 bookshelves together. We even had a chance to decorate it a little bit. But I also want to mention that about this bookshelf, that we actually got the highest one possible. So this one has 6 tiers, and each shelf can also hold around 50 pounds of weight, so you don't need to worry about putting a lot of books. As you can see, we actually style them right here. And you also don't need to worry that the books can like fall through or fall on the sides, because you have this loop and cover around. I also love the way it's made, because it's actually very easy to clean just with a damp cloth. And as you can see, we also left all of these little numbers right here. You can see like we have numbers on the shelves. When my husband put this bookshelves together, as you can see, instruction included. It was super easy to put it together. I would say it probably took him around 45 minutes to an hour per each bookshelf. So you kind of need to be ready that it's kind of time consuming. But also what I love about this bookshelf, that it also includes some straps if you want to attach it to your wall to make sure that it does not fall through. And another point I also want to mention about this bookshelves, which I absolutely love, all of these hooks right here. As you can see right here, I actually hang some of my headphones. On this side, we even put some of my dog Leashes and some of his bags, and we also style it too. So yeah, overall we have been super happy with these bookshelves. They're easy to put together, they're very nice. I love that it also has crisscross beam right there in the back, which looks very actually nice. And I also love that it helps support the whole weight of the bookshelf. And yeah, overall we have been super happy and highly recommend to check it out. Thanks for watching.